Ready to create your very own video sharing website that looks and feels just like YouTube but powered by WordPress? By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the tools and know how to launch a sleek, fully functional video platform, whether you want to start a community, showcase your content, or build the next viral hub. Let's jump right in and transform your website vision into reality. First, you'll want to select and install a WordPress theme designed specifically for video content. This choice is essential because regular themes simply won't provide the layouts or features you need, like video galleries, user channels, or playlists, to mimic YouTube's experience. Popular themes like VideoPro, Vlog, and VideoBox come preloaded with features tailored for videos. Think automatic thumbnail generation, front-end video submissions by users, or even series management so you can organize videos just like YouTube playlists. To install, just head to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, then Themes, and click Add New. Search for your chosen theme, install, and activate it. If the theme doesn't appear, you may need to upload its zip file directly. Don't worry, just follow your theme provider's instructions and you'll be up and running. Next up, plugins. These are the power-ups that can transform your site's abilities in just a few clicks. You'll want a robust video player plugin. Options like Presto Player or FV Player let you customize how each video looks and acts, add handy chapters, overlay your branding, or even protect your content from downloads. If you dream of a community-driven site where users can upload their own clips or access exclusive videos, consider MemberPress or similar tools. These plugins help you manage free and paid memberships, user roles, or even pay-per-view access, turning your site into a true video platform. For organized and responsive video galleries, especially if you want to showcase videos hosted on YouTube or Vimeo, plugins like Smash Balloon YouTube Feed Pro or Envira Gallery make that effortless. Imagine pulling in your entire YouTube channel and displaying it with a few clicks. And don't forget about SEO. An all-in-one plugin like AIO SEO can help your content get found on Google, which is key for growing your audience. Let's talk about customizing your site. Most modern video themes play nicely with page builders like Elementor or Divi, meaning you won't need to write a single line of code to craft a professional look. Use your theme's customizer to tweak layouts, set up intuitive navigation menus, add your logo and colors, and design the homepage. This is your site's first impression, so have fun with it. Spend time configuring video categories and tags so your content is organized and discoverable. It's like setting up a library where your visitors can always find what they're looking for. Now for the star of the show. Uploading or embedding your videos. If you've got your own content, you can upload it directly to your website. Just be mindful that this uses a lot of hosting space and bandwidth, so it's best if you have a solid hosting plan. For most creators, embedding is smarter. Simply paste video URLs from YouTube, Vimeo, or similar platforms, and your site displays the video while letting those providers handle the heavy lifting. This keeps your website fast and reliable. Before you unleash your site to the world, take some time to test everything thoroughly. Play videos on both desktop and mobile devices, try registering as a new user, and go through the content submission flow to spot any hiccups. Sometimes a small detail gets missed, and that's perfectly normal. Just catch and fix it before launch. When you're satisfied with how everything looks and works, hit that publish button and start promoting your new YouTube-style website to bring in your first viewers. And there you have it. With a strategic theme, the right plugins, and a few thoughtful tweaks, you're well on your way to running a professional quality video sharing platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. I'd love to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching and good luck building your awesome video website.